Welcome! Today we have the last suit. It is the Pentacles. Everybody loves the Pentacles. The Pentacles symbolize money, and everybody likes money. So this is also a very nice and happy suit, just like the Cups. That's why I'm finishing with it. We started with the Cups and we finished with the Pentacles. Because that's all you want in life. You want love and money. And I just always assume that health is a given. But not for everyone, so I shouldn't assume, but for me anyway. Once again, we're going to put them on the table one by one. The ace goes first. The second one, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love the 10 of Pentacles. The 10 of Pentacles reminds me of the 10 of Cups, actually, which if I had it handy, which I should, I would show you, but of course, I'm sure I don't have it now. Anyway, in my deck, the 10 of Pentacles is showing a family, and it's very beautiful, it's bright, and it has yellow, and of course the Pentacles are red and yellow, gold. And there's a family, mom and dad and the kid, and they're all hugging together. And to me, this represents happiness, fulfillment, wealth in every respect, not just material wealth. And of course, there are some Pentacle cards that are not as positive, but still, all of them, you can find a positive in them. Like this would be kind of like, The 5 of Pentacles, there's a little bit of sorrow there associated with this card. But regardless, the money is still there. So if you have Pentacles come up in the reading, it's usually a good thing. It's an interesting story. So I will invite you to, again, really take your time with this, this suit. And connect with the cards individually. I'll show you another one. The fourth of Pentacles, to me, it's similar to that card with the wands. I don't know if you remember the one that the guy is holding on to the wands really tight. This is sort of the same. This is someone who, he's not grabbing his money very wisely, because you see, he's trying really hard to hold on to them. Now, I don't think he's doing it in the best way. In real life, if this wasn't a picture, you'll see he would probably lose them. And that's an interesting story. I think also, to me, it's showing someone who's, again, holding on tight to the money that he has, little or a lot, whatever it is he has. He's like, and sometimes that's a warning. Many times we do that out of fear to lose it. Especially this happens a lot with money. You have fear to lose the money and you don't want to spend it. But if you don't spend it, you don't let it circulate, and you are preventing yourself from making more money and having more abundance and more money to come to you. It is tough. It is a difficult lesson to learn, very difficult. I am very strict with something. So for me, having flexibility can be difficult, and I have to remind myself often to be in the flow. And the funny thing is that when you are in the flow, things do work out for the better. But you have to be in the flow for real. I'm all about honesty with yourself, not just to do it because you had to do it. You have to feel it. I really do like the Pentacles. I'm looking at them. I haven't had all of them at once in a long time. This makes me happy. Pentacles make me happy. I just realized it. So I know I always finish telling you to shuffle the whole deck and pick a card every day. I just thought of something. I think it'll be a good idea to work only with this deck for the rest of the week. So we're not going to do a reading today. We're going to start doing readings next week. And if you want a reading, actually, if you want me to answer one question for you, send me a question. Write a question underneath in the comments, and I will do it for you next week. Meanwhile, from now until next week, you have 7 days. I suggest you pick a card every day. And like I said, I like this card. I also like this card. This card symbolizes, this is the 8 of Pentacles. And in my deck, there's a lady working, and all the money is above her, is around her, surrounding her. So to me, this means prosperity, good money that is earned working. This doesn't come from selling a house or winning the lotto or anything like that, or from your mom that gives you money. This is someone who earned it working. And I like that, because I like to work. I always like to be active. So yeah, I just like the Pentacles. So I invite you to become good friends with the Pentacles this week. You pick the card, don't just shuffle it. I say you pick it, but it has to be a different card every day. So you look at it in the morning, see what it means to you, and have the card speak to you throughout the day, and see how the day goes, and how you can combine the day, the events of the day, with the meaning of the card. See if you can do that. Should be a very lucky week. All right, don't forget to comment. Send me a question if you want to get a reading next week. Like and share, please. It means so much. And I will see you next week with the entire deck. Now we can really do readings. And if you want to participate in next week's episode, again, you're welcome to. Just let me know. And you're welcome to come here and participate. Until next week.